Hey up. This morning we are going to make a sawhorse out of 2 Euro pallets and a chainsaw, but you can use other saws. Right, let's go. That's what your first pallet should be like. Sorted. That's done, gone. So your second half should look like that. So what I've done is I've cut these 3 out of this pallet. Hold on. And I've cut these 2 out of the other pallet, and so I'm told you put that one like that, that one like that, and you interlock them like that. Voila, sawhorse. There you go, look, sawhorse. And then you put your bits of wood in that you want to cut, say you could put that there, look, and then you could cut down there, look, woof, or you could put a log on it across the top. But there you go. Hope I've helped. So there you go. So you cut one pallet like that. Look, I've cut those up, that off, and that off. And on this pallet, I've cut that off and that off. And there you go. Look, so I've laid that one on that one and that one on that one, and now you've got an easier place to put your wood, your logs, your bits of pallet that you want to cut up, and you can cut through these gaps. That once your bit of things on there, that won't move, that's solid, but also it'll break down like at a dead easy. You just pull that one up like that one up like that, look, and then you can go and carry them like somewhere and put them safe. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra.